Hello friends, I hope you're having a really great day. We are ready for our word chain of the day. We're going to keep working on blends. Remembering that a blend means two consonants that are next to each other inside of a word, and we're looking at the beginning of the word or the end of the word, and they each make their own sound. We're not thinking about vowels, we're thinking about the consonants. And some of those consonants can be sneaky in a blend. They can be hard to hear. And that's why we're going to keep practicing them, because they are sneaky. All right, here's our first one. On your board, go ahead and get paper and pencil if you need to, and then be ready to think. All right, let's get started. On your paper or your board, if you have a dry erase board, I want you to write the word Brit. Think, where's the blend inside this word? Write the word Brit. We'll do it together on my board. If you need to pause in between each word as we go through, okay? The word we're writing is Brit. Think, what's the sound? B, r, brr. We hear a B and a R, R, I, T, Brit. The blend is right here, B, R. Two consonants next to each other, each making their own sound, but tricky to hear. Brit. All right, think about the word Brit, because something is going to change in that word to make the word crit. Ask yourself, what's changing and what's staying the same? Go ahead and do it on your paper. Crit is the word. We'll think about it together in 3, 2, 1. Crit. K. I don't need a B anymore because there's no B. I need a K, a letter that makes K. I know C makes K. So I'm going to erase the B, and I'm going to put a C. Cur. I hear the R still. I hear the I still. T. Crit. My blend is again at the beginning. If you jotted down letter K, that's all right too. We know that the K can make the same sound as the letter C. Okay. Crit. Now the word is changing to the word crut. Ask yourself, what part is staying the same and what part is changing? Go ahead and do it on your paper. Crut is the word. Where do you hear the blend? What stays the same? What changes? Crut. We'll do it together in 3, 2, 1. Crut. I hear K, same. R, same. Oh, that's not the same. I need to erase the I and make it an That's letter U. U up, K, R, T. Crut. I have my word crut. My blend did not change. It stayed the same at the beginning of the word. Okay, listen to the next one. This time we're going to make the word crust. Crust. Do what you need to do to the word to put all the sounds in the word. Think about the beginning sounds and the ending sounds, as well as that vowel sound in the middle. Make the word crust. Crust. We'll do it together in 3, 2, 1. Crust. I'm going to start at the beginning. K. That's the same. R. That's the same. That's the same. So far for crust, I have s. Oh, that's not the same. I need a s. That's an S. S. Crust. I need a T at the end this time. Crust. And I'm noticing I have a blend at the beginning still, and I also have a blend at the end. two consonants next to each other, two different sounds. St, st, cr, st. Got it. Okay, here's our next one. We're going to start a new chain. The first word I want you to write in this chain is the word went. Listen for the blend. Where is the blend in this word? Write the word went. We'll do it together in 3, 2, 1. If you need more time, make sure you press pause and then unpause when you're ready to keep going. Okay? Here's the word went. W, e, nt. I hear an N. T. Double check to make sure you have all the sounds on your page too. The blend in this word is at the end, and it's a hard one to hear. Nt. Consonant 1, consonant 2. Two different sounds, two different letters next to each other that are consonants. Went. I want you to think about the word went and change it to the word west. What's the same? What's different? Write the word west on your paper. West. Be ready to think together in 3, 2, 1. I hear w, s. Oh, I need to take away that N because I need a letter that makes the s sound. S. West. The T is the same, t. But I need to underline right here. My blend is at the end. Two different letters, one different letter than before. St is my blend. All right, I want you to think about west and now make it the word wept. Wept. What stays the same? What changes? Do it on your paper. Wept. We'll do thinking together in 3, 2, 1. Let's go through each sound. W, p. I need to change that S to a p. T, wept, wept. The T stays the same. P and T, two consonants next to each other, each making their own sound. There's the blend. Wept. Now I want you to make the word swept. Swept. Ask yourself, what stays the same? What do you need to add or take away? Swept is the word. Swept. We'll do thinking together in 3, 2, 1. Swept. Right now I have a w. I need a s first. So I am going to add a s at the beginning. Sw, sw. That W needs to stay there. Swe, swept, swept. I'm noticing that I still have my blend at the end, pt, but I also have a blend at the beginning. Two consonants, each making their own sound. Swept, swept. It's hard to hear all those sounds, but they're all there when we stretch out that word. Okay, now I want you to make the word crept. Crept. Keep the parts that are the same, take away the parts that are not there anymore, and figure out which sounds are there instead. Crept. We'll do thinking together in 3, 2, 1. Crept. I don't hear a s-w at all, so I'm going to erase those. I hope you did too. The sounds at the beginning are definitely different. That could be a k, kr, k. I hear that k sound. See, cat, k, r, kr, r, r, rat, r, kr, that's the same. P, t, crept. So the blend at the beginning changed. Crept. Got it. Okay. Now we're going to do an activity called What's Missing. For this activity, you're just going to be writing one letter at a time onto your paper. Or you can say the letter and the sound out loud if that's easier for you. But I want you to be participating in the activity, showing that you understand which sound is missing in the word. Okay, so on my board, I am going to write some letters, and I'm going to say a word, except one of the sounds in the word is going to be missing on my board. Your job is to figure out which letter sound is missing. For example, if I wrote this word on my board, I want this to say slim. This spot has a letter, but your job is to figure out which letter sound it is. The word is slim. Make the sound that goes there. Ooh. What letter makes that sound? L. Slim. So on your paper, you could have written down L for L that was missing in the word, or you could have just said it out loud. Slim is the word. All right, here's our next one. The word that I'm going to be making on my board is the word lump. You tell me what sound is missing in that word. Lump. Lump. Is missing. M. Lump. Got it. Here's our next one. Your word is the word brip. Brip. What sound is missing? What letter makes that sound? Write it or say it. Brip. B-r. R is the sound. R makes that sound. Brip. Here's another one. Your word is the word tusk. This is the one that's missing. What sound is missing in the word tusk? S. Tusk. Last one. The word is the word grasp. You tell me what's missing. What sound is missing in the word grasp? Gr, a, s, p. Grasp. Excellent work. All right. Now that we've practiced our blends, today when you're moving around your house, I want you to be thinking about different things inside your house and if they have blends in them as you say the name of those items. For example, I was in my kitchen today and I was making breakfast and I noticed that we had a lot of fruit. And when I thought about the word fruit, I thought, I hear a blend at the beginning of that word. I hear fur. I heard a F and a R, fur. So the word fruit started with a blend. So as you move around your house today, be noticing what things in your house have blends in those words. You might be surprised how many things in your house have a blend in them. I hope you have a really great day.